Hello again mga ka-MJH! Nandito ulit tayo para sa ating daily greetings of gratefulness. And now, kasama natin ang isa sa mga medtech interns from National University, si Aloysius. Ayan. Question lang, kukuha ka ng isa and then ibibigay mo sa akin para basahin ko. So, Aloysius, ang question mo, anong ibig sabihin ng H ng unang elemento sa periodic table?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen! Alam na alam mo yan! So, Mary Johnson.
Thank you po. Thank you, MJ. So, napunta po ako dito sa Mary Johnson Hospital po kasi dito po ako dineploy ng school ko, which is National University, and currently I'm in my 3rd month here and on my 2nd in hospital po for this internship po. Since this is my 2nd in hospital, sa first in ko, we usually do the procedures there depending on the machines po, ganyan. But here sa Mary Johnson Hospital po, tinuturuan kami how to do manual procedures po, which is very helpful for me. Natututo akong gumawa manually and not depending sa mga machines po kasi there are instances na nagloloko yung machine, so natututo akong gumawa manually po. Marami akong na-experience na with working inside the laboratory, especially nung nasa extraction part pa lang kasi minsan maraming pasyente, so sunod-sunod yung pagtusok. But I am thankful for staff po na ginagabayan nila kami and tinutulungan nila kami kung paano i-resolve yung minimal conflicts po. Nakita ko kung paano ako mag-grow dito sa MJH kasi as I said before, medyo konting procedures lang yung nagagawa ko. Here sa MJH, mas natuto ako how to work manually. And nakita ko rin yung improvement ko with my phlebotomy skills and also with other procedures na ginagawa inside the laboratory. Dito sa MJH, mas nafe-feel ko yung pagiging close ko with all the staff kasi inside the laboratory, magkakasama lahat ng mga staff and nakakasalamuha ko sila every shift ko po. And with my co-interns, since yun nga, maraming manual work, syempre may mga times na kapag maraming pasyente, maraming ginagawang test, ganyan. Grateful ako with my co-interns kasi nagtutulungan kami. Kumaga lahat kami nagtutulong-tulong and it makes the work easier and mas mabilis na tatapos. Aside from MJH treats their interns very well kasi they give us time to rest. They also allow us to improve ourselves by teaching us, and it's really helpful for our profession kasi hindi naman lahat ng laboratory na a-applyan is machine dependent. So mostly ng mga laboratory is mga manual sila, ganyan. So I would recommend MJH as a good training facility for us medtech students. Ang hindi ko makakalimutang experience ko here sa MJH po is yung isang encounter ko with a Chinese patient. Hindi siya marunong mag-English or kahit anong communication na mas madali sa amin. And dependent lang siya sa Google Translate. Nakakatuwa ako doon kasi I get to make him comfortable even though we have differences in our language po. And nakakatuwa lang kasi sa first in ko po kasi is mostly mga matatanda na ganyan. And dito, I get to encounter different peoples from different ages po. Happy 118th anniversary to Mary Johnson Hospital. On behalf of National University Manila, my prayer for Mary Johnson Hospital is that may God may bless its employees to have wider knowledge with their profession to provide proper healthcare to everyone. I'm Aloysius Ramos, Medical Technology Intern from National University Manila, at ito ang Daily Greetings of Gratefulness ko.